Hello, sixth graders. We are working on 14.3 today, which is mode, and all that you need to know is that mode means the most. What number is in there? The most is our mode, okay? So here we go. Lesson objectives. Find the mode of a set of data. Use the mode of a set of data to solve problems. Understand the concept of mode. Ryan tossed a number cube numbered 1 to 6, and he recorded the data in the table. Okay, so how many times did he roll a 1? One time. How many times did he roll a 3? Twice. How many times did he roll a 5? 3 times, okay? So the mode of a set of data is the value that appears most frequently. It is the third measure of central tendency. Okay, moving on. So from the table, notice that the number 5 appears most frequently. Would you say that, looking at how many times he rolled that die, that he rolled a 5 the most, because there's only 1 3 here and the rest are 1s and 2s, okay? So the number 5 is our mode of the set of data. You can draw a dot plot to show that the number 5 is the mode of the set of data. Each dot represents one toss. Okay, so he rolled a 1 once, so there's 1 dot. He rolled a 3 twice, so there are 2 dots by the 3. He rolled a 5 3 times. Okay, so how many was the most? Right here. This would be our mode. Okay, so the dot plot shows clearly that the number 5 appears most frequently. So the number 5 is the mode of the set of data. A set of data can have more than one mode. If all the numbers in a set of data appear the same number of times, there is no mode. Okay, next page, next page. Uh-oh, guided practice. I want you guys to pause the video and just see how you do here, all right? And come back with me and we'll do it together. Okay, so use the data set to complete the table, then complete the sentence. Justin recorded the times for the 10 runners on a track team when they ran the 100-meter dash. The data set shows the times that he recorded. All right, so for instance, a 9.8 is in there twice, so there is a 2. Okay, so this next one is going to be 9.9. And how many times is 9.9 in there? 1, 2, 3. Should put a 3 there. And how many times was there a 10 seconds? 1 time, just once. Okay, so this one's going to be 10.1, 10.2, and 10.3. How many times was there 10.1? 1, 2. How many times was there a 10.2? Once. And how many times was there 10.3? 1 time. So what would our mode be? This is the most frequent, so it would be 9.9 seconds. How did you do? All right. Try another one. And we'll see how you did. Okay, here we go. Complete, use data in the dot plot. Elsie likes to bowl. The dot plot shows her scores for each of the 10 frames that she bowled in one game. Each dot represents her scores for one frame. Okay, so number of points. There's 3 8s, 1 9, 1 10, and so on. So Elsie scored 11 points in each of the blank frames. How many is it? 11? 2. The modes of this set of data are, we have 2 modes. This one is frequent, is just as frequent as this one. So we have 2 modes, and they are 8 and 12. How'd you do, guys? When a data set has 2 modes, you can say that the data set is bimodal. Turn the page, turn the page. All right, here we go. Use mode to summarize the data set. A farmer was placing chickens, ducks, and geese in a feeding pen. He recorded the type of birds as C, D, or G for chickens, ducks, or geese as they went into the pen. These are the data he recorded. So each C is a chicken, each G is a goose, and each D is a duck, right? So far, so good. So this data set is not numeric. So you cannot find the mean or median. However, you can find the mode of the data, chickens, because it is the data item that appears most often. For example, how many C's are up here? 15. If you were to count all the C's. How many D's are there in this box? There are 10. So we're at 10 here. And for G, for each goose, we had how many geese? 5. All right, so our mode would be chickens. Notice the bar representing the number of chickens has the greatest height. So the number of chickens is the greatest and the mode is chickens. Guided practice. Try these out and then come back to the video. Pause it for just a minute. All right, here we go. Guided practice. Find the mode of each set of data. There's 9 teachers, 88 boys, 79 girls at a school camp. What's our mode? Which ones are the most? I would say the 88 boys. So our mode would be boys. So far, so good. In a mall, there are 2 laundry shops, 14 garment shops, 3 photographic shops, 5 shoe shops, and 9 food shops. What would our mode be? I would say that the highest one is 14, so our mode would be garment shops. How'd you do? So far, so good. All right, number 6, the data set shows the masses of the school bags of some students. We have all of these numbers. Which one appears the most? I would say 5.5 appears the most. Agreed? Because there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right? And that is it, guys. So you're going to work on your 14.3 practice page, and you're going to do amazing. I just know it. And if you do come across any questions, I'm just an email away. All right? Good luck, guys, and we'll talk to you later.